portable AC power bank, 300 watt, 110 volt AC, perfect for camping, travel, and emergency backup. Let's see what we get inside the box. The AC power adapter and the cigarette lighter power adapter. So today we have the portable AC/DC power bank, and let's look some of the specifications. So for the AC output, this is 110 volt, 60 hertz, maximum 300 watt. Very important to keep under 300 watt if you want your device to work right. Now the DC output is 12 volt, 10 amp. Now for the USB, it's 5 volts and maximum 3.1 amp. Now the input DC is 15 volt, 2.5 amp. Now, Menina, if we want to charge this with the power supply, plug it and run the wall, how long is it going to take?
Well, there is going to be 110 volts AC to 15 volts DC power adapter.
Right.
This one is included, and it will fully charge in 7 to 8 hours.
Right. So now also we can charge it with the car, but the cable's not included, right?
Correct. It is not, and that will take about 9 to 10 hours.
Now, for the solar power.
Well, for the solar power, it's suggested 50 to 100 watt solar panel, which you can also buy separately. Operating voltage will be 18 volts, and it will take about 10 to 16 hours to be fully charged, depending on the solar conditions. Yeah,
and you want to, when you charge this device, if you get the solar power, I do recommend to get the solar power. You charge it slow. So when you go to camping, everything always you power all the time. So now, as we saw in the beginning, they include the power supply. That's 15 volts to charge the device, and also if you're gonna be powered at any 12 volt device, let's say like a vacuum, any portable, is like a cigarette lighter. Any light, you plug it right there. So let me show you how this thing works. So here we see the two AC outlets, right there. And now we see here the input 15 volts, output 12 volts, and we see the 4 USB. So pretty simple. If you're gonna charge, you're gonna plug this here on your left side, and then you charge it right on the wall. Or if you have the one for the car, you're gonna use it here, or the one with the solar power, you charge it right there. Now, to power up any like lighting or anything that is at 12 volts, the one normally used for the car, that's the one you want to use. So you can put your vacuum, a portable vacuum. Now we're going to power up this. It's pretty simple. If you press here, they show you the lights all blue. This means it's full charge. And that will turn on all the USB. We can plug it in here and we can see that we get our 5 volts. See? We see that the 5 volts. So 4 will give you the same voltage, and maximum 3.1 amp. Now to turn on the AC, we're going to do that. We're going to press here and we're going to press AC. It will go green and then switch to the red for a second. You have to press it 3 seconds. So see, that's a warning. If you go more than 300 watts, we'll automatically shut it down. So you double check. And we're going to check the voltage backwards. We should get about 114 volts. So that's perfect. We got 114 volts, and then if we plug this, it's working. So if you want to shut down your power, just this. We press 3 seconds, and that shut down the voltage, but the USB is still working. So you can charge your cell phone, you can charge a lot of things. So Menina, what is the calculation you have there in charging time?
How to calculate the charging time for your device? 220 volts per hour times 0.85 divided by your device power. For example, your device power is 40 watts.
Okay.
The working time will be 220 watts per hour times 85, and that answer you divided by 40. In this case, with 4.5 hours, about that time.
Perfect. So next time you go camping, to carry one of these, or if power goes out in your house, you can keep charging your phone or have some light there. All right. Thank you. Bye.